video is to illustrate the process of creating compressed files or folders. Remember that a compressed file or folder is smaller in size than the original file. So whenever we're sending email or submitting files through Blackboard, your instructor might ask that you send a compressed file just to make it easier to submit the files to Blackboard, because it would take less time, and easier for the instructor to download the files as well. So if you have a file within a folder that you would like to submit as a zipped file or folder, you would go to that particular file, right click on it, and then go to Send To and click on Compress Zip Folder. As you can see, I have already completed that process with this file, and it's created a compressed file with the same name. And so this file that has an icon with a folder that has a zipper on it, that is a file that would go to Blackboard. Now, in the event that I want to send more than one file through the assignment module in Blackboard and I need to compress them, most likely the instructor will ask you to create a folder, save the files there, and then go to that folder that has all the files for the homework, and again right click Send To and compress zip file or folder, and the name will most likely be left the same, so I'm just pressing enter to accept that name. Notice that then we have the original folder and the compressed folder, and then when I double click on the compressed folder, you would see that the files that were inside are also going to be compressed. And so that way you can submit more than one file to Blackboard using a compressed file. This is a process of creating compressed files in Windows. So if you still have any questions about how to do that process, then you can just email me. But remember that you first need to select the file that you want to compress and follow the steps as you see them on the screen, so that then you can end up with a compressed file to send. And as always, refer to the instructor emails and the assignment sheets for the particular chapter that you're on, because that's where the instructions on how to submit the homework will be at.